we'll be talking about why you should keep posting on YouTube. I know a lot of people have been saying, I'm tired of YouTube. YouTube is not recommending my video. YouTube is wasting my time and my data. Nobody is watching my videos. I get low views. That YouTube is just posting or recommending the big YouTubers. The small YouTubers, nothing. We are tired. I've seen posts, I'm quitting YouTube today. YouTube is not pushing my videos. I'm just wasting my content. Nobody's watching it. A lot of people are already lamenting on this issue, but I understand. What I would just tell you that just keep posting, don't be discouraged. Yes, but first and foremost, check if you're doing the right thing first. You can be doing something for long and you think you're doing the right thing. If you're posting consistently and YouTube is not recommending your videos, check those things. One, are you putting is your tag, are you putting the right tags? Two, are you using the right hashtags? Three, are you giving a good description on your videos? Are you using a good title? Is your thumbnail on top notch, that when people see it, they feel like not clicking? Do you understand? So if you check all this and still YouTube is not recommending your video, then I can now talk to you that just be consistent. Don't give up. Just be consistent. Like, because why I'm saying this, I'm myself, are you posting, are you doing the right thing? Secondly, let me tell you something that happened to me too. When I started, I was thinking I was already tired. I was posting and I'm not seeing views. I will see 10 views, I will see 18 views, except from my short. I'll be seeing some views that will encourage me. I stopped posting on my long form video because I wasn't seeing the views. But I never knew that I wasn't doing the right thing at all. I was not using tags for my video, tags that are necessary for the videos, the keywords for that video. I'm not using it. I'm not using the hashtag for those videos. I will just use YouTube recommendation, SEO hashtag or whatever. I was just doing nonsense. I wasn't doing the right thing. I wasn't using a very good description. I would just write something and that's all. My title was just watery. My thumbnail was just there. So when I studied it and I felt like, okay, let me do all those things with due diligence, let me do all those things that they are saying, let me focus on it and focus on a video of this, and I can tell you for facts that it's actually it is working, because YouTube algorithm is not confused anymore. They know who to push your video to. They know where your video should go to, because everything. And when people are sometimes I will see YouTube search like 30%. That means when they search for something, my video pops up and they see. Sometimes I will see YouTube recommendation 50%, before 2%. I will post those things here when I used to see 2% and when I'm seeing 80% and all those things, because of doing the right thing. So it's not about I'm posting. You can be posting and posting and posting and you are not doing the right thing and you'll be frustrated. So that is just it. And most of us are not consistent. Most of us, we are confused. You can post today, before in the next 2 weeks or next 2 months you are posting again, and you are saying that, oh, you expect YouTube to push your videos, when we have thousands of people that are consistent, and YouTube have figured them that this person is posting by this time. I don't know if you get it. So YouTube will feel like, where is this person? They are trying to understand you and you drift, or they are trying to understand you and you are nowhere to be found again. So you are always inconsistent. You are posting today, in the next 3 weeks again you post, in the next 4 months again you post. It's just like you having a customer, and the customer is coming today, the person is coming today, next month it comes again, next 2 months it comes again, and you're just feeling like this is not your customer. Customers, at least they come every week, every day, or they have a particular time they come get something, right? You know that this person is consistent in this past. That's why you say this is my customer, because this person, or you use the word regular customer. My regular customer, that means always patronizing me often. Do you get what I'm saying? That is how YouTube also work. So you don't say, oh, I'm tired of posting, I'm giving up, YouTube is not recommending my videos. Ask yourself, are you doing the right thing? Are you posting the right, are you not posting the right thing now? Are you doing the right thing that will make YouTube to recommend your videos? The tags, the hashtags, the title, the hook, the descriptions, and many more like that. And try and see if YouTube will not recommend your videos. And the other one, give up. don't delete your old videos. Some persons will delete their old videos and say, nobody is watching it, and they will just delete it. Please don't delete your old video. Your old videos speak of your real self, your personality, how you were. This is who you were. Don't quit. Keep posting. Be consistent. It is not easy at all. Don't just get discouraged. I'm just telling you that why I'm doing this video for you is that if you're the person that I've been posting and YouTube is not recommending your video, you're frustrated, please do those things that I just said now, and come to my comment section and say if it worked or not. Yes, and keep pushing and everything, and also interact with one another. When you see people's video, comment on it, like it, and engage in one another. That is, you don't just give up. The time you're quitting is the time you want to get your success story. So don't just give up on YouTube. Keep pushing. A lot of people are cashing out on YouTube. A lot of people are making it on YouTube. If they tell you their story to YouTube, you'll be shocked that and this person have been this way before. So don't just give up on YouTube. A lot of person subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notification when my video pops up, and if you've subscribed already, you know I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.